Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for sticking around. I know that I took a really long break. I basically moved and I just wanted to take a year to enjoy my home. This is the new house. I'm in my new house. This is the office and yeah, I'm super happy to have my own home. So I just wanted to take the year off to really decorate and just put all of my energy into making this our home and going shopping, decorating, and just enjoying the whole process. I've been waiting for this forever, and so I'm just really happy now to have my own space to film, and I don't feel self-conscious anymore. I can talk as loud as I want, no one's gonna hear me, so I'm just really excited. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. For those that have been, you know, waiting for me to come back, I'm back. So we're gonna go back to our regularly scheduled program. Today I'm going to share with you my current favorites. I was on Snapchat and you guys voted for a favorites video, so that's what you're gonna get. If you don't follow me on, oh I'm sorry, not Snapchat, I always call it Snapchat. It's not Snapchat, it's Instagram. I was on Instagram. I like Instagram because it has little polls, so that's very helpful, and you guys voted for a favorites video, so that's what you guys are getting today. I'm going to share with you my current favorites, and let's just get right into the video. So the first thing up on my favorites is this palette here by JUVIA'S. It's the Warrior palette, and it is so gorgeous. I love their formula when it comes to like the metallic shimmery shades. They're so beautiful. And here's the palette itself. You can see the tones. Oh my gosh, I just love like all these neutral shades. I can create so many looks with this. These here, I put each one of them looks so different. Like you can use this, for instance, I like to use this on the brow, this on the crease, and then this to deepen the crease if I have to, and then one of these on the lid. And depending on which of the shimmer shades you use on the lid, it looks like a totally different eye. So today I am using this one here, which is Benin. This one here is on the lid, and this is the type of eye that it gives you. So all I did was put this in the crease, this on the brow bone, and then this on the lid. That's it. Super easy. And you're gonna see a makeup tutorial featuring this. I already filmed it, so please hold, it will be up next. But you're gonna see it in action, and basically whatever type of foil eyeshadow you put on the lid, it's gonna look totally different every time. So that's why I love this palette, and it's super affordable. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I remember I got it on sale, so it was a lot cheaper, but the price already is very affordable. So definitely check out JUVIA'S. Oh, there's another one too that I like. Hold on. Ow. Another palette that I love from JUVIA'S is this one here. This is the Warrior 2. How stunning is the artwork? I just love the artwork. It's so pretty. This one is all matte shades. I mean, how gorgeous, right? Like this one here is so pretty. I really love, I'm into like doing like a burgundy reddish eye, and this one here is just so gorgeous. All the tones in here are so pretty. I absolutely love this one here. It's kind of like a mustardy brown. This one here is like a peach. I love this one, this really cool brown. It's just a staple in a collection because it has pretty much everything you need in here. And again, the mattes, even though I was telling you that the shimmers are really good, even the mattes are good as well. They're like really easy to blend, very smooth. Another product from JUVIA'S that I really like is this Serafina Blush. It looks like this. This is the packaging. Comes with a mirror, which is nice. Here is the blush itself. It is a really pretty peach, no, like a corally pink. And it has like a sheen to it. So it looks really pretty on the skin. It doesn't look dry. You can see the sheen. I have it on my face. And it's very, very, very potent. That's the only thing. It's like it's really, really pigmented, but you can just put it on lightly and build it up, and then it just looks pretty. It has, even though it's pigmented, it is a little bit sheer. So like when you see how I swatched it, it does have some sheerness to it. It's not super, super dense, if that makes any sense. Like, you can see it there. So it's so pretty. I like the formula of that as well. I kind of want to get one of their palettes. They have a blush palette. Okay, moving on. We're going to talk about some Pixi products. I've been loving this Rose Flash Balm. I put it on before makeup. It says that this has so many things. It's a 3-in-1. It can be a moisturizer, a primer, and a mask. So far, I've used it as just a primer. So what I'll do is I'll put it on before I put on my foundation. It has like a really, really nice consistency. So I'll just put a little bit on my finger. And then when you put it on your skin, it does feel like a balm. It goes on and then it kind of just like goes into your skin. You can't rub it in. Like, so you kind of put it on, smear it on all over your face. And then once it starts to dry, you kind of just have to like leave it alone. Don't touch it. Because when I first used it, I started to kind of like use it as a moisturizer. And I was rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, and then it kind of like started to peel off. So what you have to do is kind of just like smooth it all over your face, put it on. And then as soon as it starts to get dry, okay, just leave it alone. It'll sink into the skin. And it just creates this really nice moisturized layer. It really feels good on the skin. And it smells really good. It has that rose scent. I'm so into rose right now. Oh my god. It's like an underlining obsession that I had that I didn't even know. My next favorite is also by Pixi, and it's the Pixi Glowy Gossamer Duo in Subtle Sunrise. So this is what it looks like here. And I like this shade. You can see how it's super reflective. And I'm wearing it on my face so you guys can see what it looks like. And it just makes your skin look like it's wet almost. It just has that nice sheen. And this is a type of glow that you can see it even in the night. Like if there's just a little bit of light shining on your face, it's going to be popping. So it just really, really looks good. I love this type of glow. It reminds me of the Amrezy highlight. Like just a more affordable version of that. Because I also love the Amrezy one. Let me get it actually. But here's the Amrezy. This is what that one looks like. This one's more of a white golden shade. Let me swatch the two so you guys can see what I'm talking about. That's the Amrezy one. Also very, very beautiful highlight. I love that one as well, but I use that one when I'm going out. This is like a more everyday type of highlight. And then this is, so this is the Pixi one right here. And then this is the Amrezy. So you can see how similar they are. So I use my Amrezy, like I said, for when I'm going out. That's like my luxurious product. And then this is the one I use every single day, is my Pixi one. Next Pixi products that I am loving at the moment are these. They're called Liquid Fairy Lights. And this one is in the color Passion Light, which is like a copper with silver and gold glitters in there. And then I like this one as well. This is the RoseGold. Super pretty. And these glitters look more kind of iridescent. And then my absolute favorite of the three is this one in Bare Brilliance, which is kind of like a taupey color. Let me swatch them for you guys. These are kind of like the Stila Magnificent Metals, you know, like everyone's kind of doing that. They're just not as glittery, because those are just super, super glittery. But you know what? I bought a bunch of them and I went to use them the other day, the Stila ones. They were all dried up. Like, what the heck? I was pretty pissed, because I'm like, really? They didn't even last that long. So you can kind of see like they're just glitter eyeshadows, like toppers. And they have a little bit of color to them, but they're not super pigmented. So you can see that it has like a light sheen of color within the product, but it's not super pigmented. So that's why I say that they're toppers, because usually I'll put like a similar shade already on my lid, and then I'll dab this on top of it, and then with my finger I kind of spread it around to get that glittery effect, you know what I mean? So these are really, really nice. I love them. They don't crease, they last a long time. Hopefully these don't dry out, we'll see. We'll see if they'll dry out. My next favorite is from a brand called Col-Lab right here. And you can only get these at Sally's Beauty Supply, so you have to get this one there. I love the packaging. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, the component. And it has that soft velvet cap. It just feels heavy, like it feels really nice. And these are the Matte Addiction Liquid Lip Colors and the shade I'm Nude Here. I love this color. I wear it all the time. I'm always reaching for it. It's just the perfect nude. It doesn't cancel out your lips completely. It complements a lot of different eyeshadow looks. So I love this one. There's also another color that I really like. Let me show you. Hold on. I also really, really enjoy this color. This one's called Nude Vibes. So let me just swatch them on my hand so you guys can see the difference between the two. This one's a lot more nude than the one I'm wearing on my lips, but I still love it because it's a little bit more on the neutral side, whereas this one has a little bit of that pink in it. So this one is I'm Nude Here, which is the one I'm wearing on my lips, and then this is Nude Vibes. So you can see that it has more of those apricot undertones, which it'll probably go with my makeup look, but I like I'm Nude Here because it gives my lips more definition. Okay, the last makeup product is by Maybelline. This is the Master Camo. It's a crayon corrector and the orange one. And I've been using this on my under eye area because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation under there. Like they look like freckles. And also my skin underneath my eyes is super transparent. I don't know if it's because I'm just like getting a little bit older, so now it's thinning and it looks really transparent. So if I look like this, you can see all of the veins under my eyes. So you see a lot of blue stripes under there. So I got this to kind of help out with that whole situation, and it's been working really well. So I really, really like this. It comes with the little doe, this is not a doe foot, like, you know, like a little sponge applicator. And it kind of has that curve so it can kind of get into your under eye area. I got confused from the monitor. And then you just twist it up. So this works really good. It's not too thick, which I don't, there's a lot of concealers out there that are correctors, but they're really, really thick. And I feel like it's hard. I don't like layering so much products under there. So this is why I really like this one, because once you blend it out, it's very sheer, it's very thin, and it's very easy to put concealer over and kind of conceal the orange. Okay, so the next couple products are not beauty, well, they're not makeup. So I've been kind of obsessed with Bath & Body Works lately. I've gone several times because I went to a Christmas party and my sister-in-law, my future sister-in-law, Priscilla, she got a candle and a gift exchange, and it smelled so good, and I'm so obsessed with candles. I love candles, but I'm also very cheap. So that's why I normally don't go to Bath & Body Works to get candles, because I'm like, I'm not going to spend 20 bucks. But there was a sale for like $10 off the candles, and I went and I got a bunch of these because they smell so good. This is the Cactus Blossom, the White Barn. Oh my god, you guys, it smells like a really beautiful perfume. Like, you think Cactus Blossom, like what does that smell like? It smells like a really beautiful perfume. It's very light, it's not overpowering. It's like, I want to say it's floral. Oh, it just smells so good. If you go to the Bath & Body Works, just grab this one, smell it. Trust me, you are going to love it. It just smells so luxurious to me. I loved this scent so much that I went and I got an air freshener for my car as well. I was like, I'm gonna put this all over the house. I saw that they have soap now. I'm gonna go buy the soap. I'm gonna buy the little plug-in air fresheners. I'm waiting for all that to go on sale so I can get everything because it smells so good. Next product is the Rose. I'm telling you, I'm a little obsessed with Rose right now. But this doesn't smell like the traditional rose scent that you think of, because I don't really like that traditional rose scent, if you know what I mean. Like, it just smells like straight roses. It doesn't smell like that. It has rose in it, but it's mixed in with so many other things that it just smells really good and fresh. Oh yeah, it just smells really clean, very fresh, very floral. I love this scent so much. I love the packaging as well. How pretty is the packaging? I just love anything floral. Anything floral, I'm gonna love it. I love flowers so much. This one is described as airy rose water blended with jasmine petals and creamy musk. So this one is just very light, clean, fresh, floral, feminine. I love this scent so much. I wear it all the time. So definitely check this out as well. The next scent is a little bit more romantic because it's a little bit more, it's stronger in the flower scent. So this one is called One in a Million. It smells so good. It's very perfumey. So I usually wear this like if I'm going out to dinner with Adrian or if I'm just going out at night. I put this one on because it's a lot stronger. This one is described as jasmine extract, white gardenia, pink pepper, and cashmere musk. So this one, I have the Kim Kardashian-West perfume and Gardenia crystal. I have that one. And they smell very similar. I wouldn't say like it's a dupe, but they smell very, very similar because they both have the gardenia in it. And the gardenia is very powerful scent. Like if anything has gardenia, I feel like you can just smell it right off the bat. So it kind of smells similar to that. It's very perfumey, very like, ooh, romantic, you know? So I got this one too. I really, really love it as well. That is it today for all my favorites, my current favorites at the moment that I've been obsessing about. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I also wanted to let you know that my husband and I are planning to do an Amazon favorites. So I'm super excited about that because ever since we got Amazon Prime, I've just been obsessed because they have everything on there. So whenever I need something, I'm just like, well, let me just go check on Amazon and see if they have it on there because I'll just get it in 2 days, you know. So I've been shopping on Amazon forever now, and I've gotten a lot of really good stuff from there. So I wanted to share some things with you guys, and so did my husband, which was very surprising to me because he doesn't ever really want to be on camera. But he was like, oh yeah, I want to share some of the stuff I got too. So that's pretty exciting. He has a lot of tech stuff, but it's still useful because I'm not really into tech, but the things that he got, I use them and I love them too. So keep a lookout for that video. It's gonna come up soon. Yeah, so I hope you guys are excited about that. And as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I could not say that. Bye. Like, no. But I just don't like to be like, see you in the next video. Like, what do I say? I don't know. I don't know. It's a mystery I will solve. I will figure it out.